Hey beautiful love muffin, welcome back. It's Chandi and I have a fun tutorial for you today. I'm going to show you how to do a drop stitch in knitting shown here in our drift cardigan pattern. Working a drop stitch is super easy, but if you've never done it, it might feel a little daunting. So hopefully this quick little demonstration will clear up all your fears. If you do want more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You can see how drop stitches look here in our drift pattern. It creates a really unique look that you don't see in many knit patterns. It creates a gorgeous drape, so your cardigan is going to flow nicely and hug your shoulders. And it keeps you a little bit cooler, more so than a denser knit fabric, because the air can flow through. I'll pop the pattern link in the description for you. And if you do want to get notified when new patterns go live, just sign up for email updates there and I will holler at you. Okay, yarn. I chose our pearlescent fingering yarn for this pattern because one, it gleams really beautifully because of the silk in it, and two, it drapes galore. It's one of our most popular yarn bases hands down, and you get a lot of yardage per skein. But any fingering weight yarn that you love will work. Okay. Let's do this. I've worked a couple rows of knit stitches just so that I have a base upon which to work to show you how to do the drop stitch rows. It takes 2 rows to create this dropped stitch. The first row of the drop stitch looks like this. You're going to knit one and then yarn over twice. Repeat that all the way across your row and then knit that final stitch. Okay, you're going to start by knitting that first stitch. Bloop. Okay, then you're gonna yarn over twice. How do you do that? You go whoop, woo. So you have 2 yarn overs. So exciting. Okay, then knit. And you're gonna just repeat this across. Yarn over twice, bloop, bloop, knit, bloop, bloop, knit, and just keep going all the way across. Very exciting stuff happening here. Whoop, whoop. Knit. Whoop, whoop. Knit. Keep going. I'll just go ahead and finish out the row for you. Bloop, bloop. Knit. Bloop, bloop. Knit, and then final one. Bloop, bloop, and then knit that final stitch. So that's the first row of your drop stitch. The second row of the drop stitch is the fun part. Get ready for this. You're gonna knit 1, drop 2, repeat that all the way across, and then knit that final stitch. Okay, the second row, this is so exciting. Watch how this goes. Super fun and very satisfying. Get that first stitch knitted, and then drop the next 2 things. Bloop and bloop, just drop that off. You're gone. Okay, then knit, drop 2, 1, 2. You're gonna repeat this all the way across your row. Knit, bloop, bloop. And I do recommend that you take your time. You go slow. Don't rush, don't try to do other things like watch TV or carry on a complex conversation. You really want to make sure you are paying attention, dropping off what you need to be dropping off, which was those 2 yarn overs, by the way, from the previous row. Knitting what you're supposed to be knitting, so that when you get to the end, you have beautiful, even, correctly dropped stitches. It is very easy, very satisfying. You just want to make sure that you're doing it right. Drop, drop. And I'll go ahead and finish this out and show you what it looks like once you get all the way across your row. And you'll get in a rhythm and you'll see what works best for you. I like to actually use my hand to drop them off so that I'm not tugging and pulling a bunch of stitches off. But however you want to do that is totally fine, whatever works for you. Okay, let me knit that last one here. Beep. And then you're going to want to pull to get these all nice and straight. And you can see, look, oh my gosh, it's so fun. Look, little drop stitches, so cute. And now check this out. You have successfully dropped your stitches. You stitch dropper, you. I told you it was easy. Just make sure you keep a close watch to ensure you're doing everything accurately. If you are new to this technique, I recommend you do a little swatch first to practice before you jump into your big project. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, that it helped you out. Have a great day, and I'm gonna catch you next time. Bye-bye. You can't leave the camera on me and think I don't know you're filming.
I'm not filming you, I promise you.
Okay. Yes, you are. Listen, everyone. Tim leaves the camera on me and thinks I'm going to do bloopers because I don't think that he's filming, but I know he's filming. So hopefully this quick little demonstration will clear up all your fears.
Demonstration?
So. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.